औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। नहमदुहु व नुसल्लिमु अला रसूलिहिल करीम। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। वक़ुल रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। मौलाया सल्लि व सल्लिम दाइमन अबदा अला हबीबिका खैरिल खल्क़ि कुल्लिहिम। Respected teachers, honorable guests, मैं मुस्लिम बिरोदर अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Today my topic is what is Milad as we write or read date of birth in English. Similarly, it is called Milad in Arabic. Eid Miladun Nabi means to express happiness on the birth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam because it means happiness. For this objective, holding programs in large scale, discussing the good behavior, evangelizing the birth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, commemorating the birth of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, organizing processions of Miladun Nabi, whether in the form of Milad conference or trade conference, actually to tell the nations of the world that 12 Rabiul Awwal is that fortunate day when the world's benefactor came to the world. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born, and the person who is born cannot be the God. So celebrating the Milad is to finish the shirk oneness of Allah. There is command in the Holy Quran that Qul bifadlillahi wa birahmatihi fabidhalika falyafrahu. Oh beloved, speak that people should be contending on finding Allah's grace and blessing. It is brought from this ayah that showing happiness on grace and blessing of Allah is His own order. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the blessing for all over the world, and Allah sent His Prophet as mercy of the world. So to show every legal happiness on the birth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is actually act upon this ayah. So to celebrate Milad on the birth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, illuminate Latins participate into the world is by organizing festivity of birth, spreading remembrance of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is brought from the Holy Quran. It is also a reality that only believers and happy on the birth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. But hypocrites and enemies do not celebrate this occasion. Rather they get angry as the Iblis, शैतान दीद निसार तेरी चहल पहल पर हजारों ईद रब्बुल अव्वल, निसार तेरी चहल पहल पर हजारों ईद रब्बुल अव्वल। सिवाय इब्लिस के जहां में सभी तो खुशियां मना रहे हैं, सिवाय इब्लिस के जहां में सभी तो खुशियां मना रहे हैं। आमीन। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलागुल मुबीन।